Welcome to VIP Auto TV. Get ready for an exciting deep dive into the all-new 2025 Ford Transit Motorhome, a true game-changer for road trip lovers, adventurers, and van life enthusiasts. If you're searching for the perfect blend of comfort, technology, and performance, this motorhome is built to impress. Sleek, modern design. The 2025 Ford Transit Motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about embracing the journey in style and convenience. With refined aerodynamics, a bold front grille, and sleek LED headlights, Ford has designed a modern, dynamic look that stands out on the road. Whether you're conquering the mountains, heading to the beach, or simply cruising across the country, this vehicle is built to elevate your travel experience. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Transit Motorhome offers impressive powertrain options. A robust EcoBoost engine for those seeking extra power. A hybrid variant for eco-conscious travelers, ensuring a balance of fuel efficiency and performance. Upgraded suspension and enhanced stability control, providing superior handling on both highways and winding roads. Luxury and comfort inside. Step inside, and you'll see that Ford has taken comfort and practicality to the next level. The spacious, ergonomic interior is designed for both driving and living, featuring premium materials and smart storage solutions. A high-resolution digital display and an intuitive infotainment system with wireless connectivity. Advanced driver assist features that make long drives stress-free. A home on wheels. Ford has redefined mobility with a well-designed living space, including a fully equipped kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, multifunctional seating that adapts to your needs, whether you're cooking, working remotely, or relaxing. Ambient lighting, a climate control system, and high-end upholstery, adding to the premium feel. Smart connectivity and entertainment. For tech lovers, the 2025 Transit Motorhome integrates Ford's latest SoC infotainment system, allowing control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings via voice commands or a touchscreen interface. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Multiple USB charging ports. Optional solar panel system, keeping you connected no matter where you roam. Advanced safety features. Ford prioritizes safety, equipping this motorhome with an impressive suite of advanced safety technologies. Adaptive cruise control. Lane keeping assist. Blind spot monitoring. 360 degrees camera system, making driving and parking easier and safer. Off-grid capabilities and sustainability. One of the most exciting upgrades is the improved energy management system, allowing you to stay off-grid longer. Sustainability is a key focus, with features such as efficient power distribution system, upgraded battery storage, optional solar charging solutions, maximized storage and versatility. Storage is thoughtfully designed, ensuring you have room for all your essentials. With overhead cabinets, under-seat storage, and a spacious rear cargo area, you'll never worry about running out of space. The ultimate adventure vehicle. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple seeking adventure, or a family looking for a comfortable and versatile road trip vehicle, the 2025 Ford Transit Motorhome has something for everyone. With its smart design, powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and safety features, it's one of the most compelling options in the motorhome market today. Ford has truly outdone itself, redefining what it means to travel in comfort and style. The possibilities are endless with this motorhome, giving you the freedom to explore without sacrificing the conveniences of home. Join the Autoscope community. If you're excited about this incredible new motorhome, subscribe to Autoscope for more in-depth reviews, walkarounds, and test drives. Hit the like button if you love what you see. Let us know in the comments. Would you take the 2025 Ford Transit Motorhome on your next road trip? Where would you go first? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more incredible automotive content. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.